You want to know how to generate a long script for your African folktales, then you are in the right video, as I will show you a prompt I use to generate over an hour script for my African folktales, and I will use it with two AI. You already know. Just I will show you the new prompt and how I strategize my prompt to give me over an hour script I can use. And again, most importantly, I will show you on how you can generate your video title using the trending search on YouTube, which means it will go over and check what is trending, what African folk tales title is trending, that you can also go ahead and create a unique title on, and also generate your long scripts, so you can also go ahead and have same views or similar views as already the videos that have been posted on the channel. So right here I'll be showing you step by step on how you can do this prompt you need, so make sure you follow step by step. And I'll go ahead to my first AI platform, which is already known, is called ChatGPT, and right here is my prompt which I wrote using youtube.com as reference. I want you to generate 5 African folk tales, which means I am referring to youtube.com, which means you generating me these new 5 African folk tale stories must be from the trend search, and I want you to be from SEO search. So right here you copy this already. After this prompt I use on my ChatGPT, as you can see right here, ChatGPT have to thought about this for a couple of seconds, and right here what ChatGPT generates for me. As you can see, over 5 title was generated, and a reference of how ChatGPT got this title was also put on the screen. As you can see right here is how you go ahead and generate a title, and ChatGPT also gave us a reason why this title will rank and also be engaged. One is keyword research, SEO optimized. As you can see, each title includes strong search title like Cox, Mastery, and all, and also suspense driven hooks. So fresh yet familiar. This means this title are actually familiar with people, but the way the title is being presented is actually very unique. So this prompt actually give you the best title for you. So now we go ahead and pick up a title for us to work on for the long scripts I want to show you in this video. As you can see right here are the references of how ChatGPT got the title it gave us from our prompts. So right here are different references. Make sure you keep the prompt and you use it for your own next African folktales title on your channel. So right here I'll go ahead and pick up a title I will use, and I will also show you the second AI tools I'll be using to write my script, as I will not be using ChatGPT for writing my script. I'm using ChatGPT to generate my title alone. So I will go with number 4, which says they discover bones in a necklace, the village's courts heirloom. So right now I will go to cloudy.ai. So if this is the first time you are hearing about this AI, this is just a similar one to ChatGPT, and I'm also on a free plan on this platform. So what prompt do you think I will use? Do you think I will just go ahead and paste the title? No, I won't go ahead and paste the title. I already have a generate prompt I will use, which is already on my Word document, and I'll also go ahead and paste this exact prompt in my comment section, which you can go ahead and copy, or also put this document so you can go ahead and also use for your own African folktale scripts. So right here is my prompt I'm using, which you can see I started with you are a professional via YouTube script writer, which is me giving this AI already a role to work on with. So when you are an expert on a role, this will give you a good script, and also make sure you state the words you want. I want over 50,000 words. So if you are going to more minutes, you can go ahead and put 100,000 words. You can go ahead and put 200,000 words, which is why I'm using this AI, as this AI can give you as many words as you want. So right now I'll go ahead and paste the word on the inbox. So as you can see right here, I already pasted the title already, and I show the tone, the format I want it, and voice I explain to the AI how I want my script to generate. So I'll go ahead and click on enter button, and this will be generated in few minutes. I will show you guys this when it is generating, and I'll also show you guys, I will skip and show you guys the end of this. As you can see right now, it is going ahead and generating in the same format and tone I instruct the AI to do so. And this right here is going ahead and going to generate for me, which I have to wait for some few seconds. As you can see right now, after a few seconds, I generate over 12,500 words for this title. As you can see right now, showing me and explaining what this AI did with my format, code open, setup, tension, and payoff, which this is my own format, and you can go ahead and also adjust it to your own format. But this format right here actually work for a story which you want to put on suspense, and also a narrator voice instruction telling me how the narrator or the voiceover I want to use can be use for the video. So right now I'll go ahead to my Word document. So I'll just click on copy. So after you click on copy, you go over to your Word document and paste the script you generated, and let's see how many pages this will generate us. As you can see, we already have 12,500 according to the AI word count. So what I need to do first is for me to check the pages, which is over 19 pages already, and I can show you that this will give me over 30 to 40 minutes with my voiceover on the script. So right now I'll go ahead and edit each words I don't need my AI voiceover to read. I'll go ahead and read, and you can also go ahead and edit your script if you want to, if it's not okay. But you know, I'm done with editing the words, so I'll go over and count the words with word counter.io. So you counting your words know how many minutes this will give you and how many hours this will give to you. As already, this is already an AI generated long script. So I'll go ahead and copy this, and let's go ahead to my platform, which is wordcounter.io. So just go ahead and paste it on your wordcounter.io. Let's see how many words, characters, and also how many pages does this has. You can see right here over 7,000 words generated with just few minutes, and over 28.5 pages according to word counter, while on word document it's showing 19 pages, which means this can actually give you over 30 to 40 minutes of African folktale scripts. So you have been thinking, what next after I generate scripts? What do I do next? So right now I will show you what you do next after you generate script. If for you to generate your voiceover, after you generate voiceover, you generate AI video or you generate images. But how do you do that? How do you go about that? Are you going to do that using these two AI, ChatGPT and Claude AI? No, I'm going to show you guys this in the next video. Make sure you go ahead and comment, ask for part 2, so I can know you guys follow me to the end, and I will show you guys on how you can also generate the voiceover and video creation for free. Make sure you subscribe and also click and watch other videos I posted on how you can make money online and how you can also generate revenue using your skill and all that with free tools for you. So go ahead and subscribe, and thank you for watching.